This tutorial will give you an overview of DRMS mobile app available on Android and iOS devices. The interface is the same for both platforms, so for this tutorial we will use iOS.
DRMS mobile app provides a live access to available tasks in the database through Maps function. So let's see how that works. So from the main screen, I'm going to tap Maps. It's going to take me to Google Maps, where we have um, multiple sites surrounding the area where I'm located, which seems to be some sort of radius, which we're going to look at, with multiple sites that are here in red and others in yellow. So if I go to the filter on the top, I will see that there is a distance of 20 miles that is set by default, as well as the site type uh, that is set to all. Condition site, we have impaired and down ones that are showing, which we can show all of them if we want. And we'll see some additional green ones. The ones that are up and running and they're good. And so if we go to the map and select one of these sites that we have here, we will find multiple informations on the screen that comes from the bottom. So we will see that you can see the ID or the cascade ID for the site. We can see the type, we can see the distance, which is basically an air distance, not necessarily the one through directions. And we will see that you have more info. So if you tap on more info, you will see more information about the site. So there is a phone number, and you can call, or any other information that you may need to perform your task for that specific site. Okay. So for instance, for this site, I'm going to go ahead and go to the first task that it's labeled Reconnaissance 921. I'm going to go ahead and assign this task to myself. Okay, I will assign it. Say yes. It's going to load. And so as you have seen on the pop-up, that it tells me that this task is going to be available now through my tasks. So if I exit the map and I go to my tasks, I will find the task available towards the bottom. Yep, and it's the last one here with priority 14. So I can go to the task. I can see the details, get en route if I'm ready to leave or so. Or if I don't want this task anymore, I want to put it back on the map, what I can do is go to and tap on assigned, and I will choose from the list unassign, will submit, and as a result, what's going to happen, it will be removed from my list here in a second, as well as that it will be put back in the maps. Okay, so if we go back to the same site, we will see that 921 have been put back for a different technician to grab it or so. Please make sure that you load all the tasks that you are willing to work while you are online, as if you go somewhere where there is no network or you cannot get online, you wouldn't be able to have access to this function. And if you have any questions, please ask us or send us an email through the email shown on the screen.